What's the difference between a script and a compiler?
A compiler is something that like pre-processes all of your code and makes sure it checks it for its syntactic correctness and makes sure that memory isn't allocated in the wrong areas. Like if a variable is declared as an integer, it has to be used as an integer because the compiler sets that aside as integer space. Whereas in JavaScript or Python or anything, you can have an array or any data type. You can have an integer, like var I equals 0, and then later on in the same function change I and set it to an array.
Yeah.
And like, I know that sounds crazy and hectic and chaotic, but it's so handy. As long as you're careful, this is what we were talking about earlier when I met him. As long as you're careful with your programming and you know when you're making these like dangerous shifts and stuff with your
there's less like rails.
Code.
There's less like
exactly.
blinders.
It's like bowling without bumpers. But like if
Okay.
you're good at bowling, then it's fine. It's not really a problem if the bumpers are there or not. Which is why the scripting and web languages are even better, even in that respect, because you can quickly crank out a program to do something like that, as opposed to having to, I don't know, it's too much overhead with compiled languages. Like you can literally just open a text editor and have a Python script or a JavaScript ready, JavaScript script, I don't know, but just have a script ready and like, just like that.